Happiness everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Leah Acebuche. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong videos. Oh, biryani, when I first saw you, hindi ako na easily get attracted. Not on my plate, please. Yun lagi ang sinasabi ko whenever I'm in the restaurant. Nung first time kong ma-encounter ang biryani. A lot of you will be, for sure, can relate on me on this. This dish is so rich on spices. By the smell and the taste, mare-recognize mo agad-agad kung gaano ka-rich sa spices itong dish na ito. But along the way, hindi ko na rin siya na-resist. I got hooked on eating biryani whenever I dine here in Abu Dhabi sa mga Arabic and Indian restaurants. Hindi ko na siya pumaresist. It's part of my order whenever I get into this kind of restaurants. It's just that, lagi kong sinasabi, not too spicy please. Dapat yung mild lang kasi I'm not a lover of spicy foods. And if you're like me, today, in this video, magagawa tayo ng biryani na suited sa ating panglasa na hindi maanghang. Kung katulad ko po kayo, please keep on watching. And if you love spicy foods naman, of course, pwede mong dagdagan lagi ng chili powder. Please watch until the end and let's cook biryani. Not too spicy. don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat po. Stay blessed, stay healthy, happiness everyone!